One thing I'm struggling with personally is trying to make as many projects as I can with as little money as I can.
It's hard to sell to broke people. The problem is we have to create a product or service for a starving group that can afford to pay us. Probably within the first 2 months of doing this, which is 8 videos, you're gonna get leads. Advice isn't worth much if you don't commit to doing the work. So the biggest problem isn't me giving you the advice, it's you committing to do the work. Because I guarantee you, almost everybody that does the work gets the results. Or they learn so much that they become a different person in the pursuit of that. Most of what I do for people like you is to help them achieve a financial goal. We can do a relationship goal, but I prefer financial. Is that okay? Let's fast forward 1 year from now. You and I were running to each other at Adobe Max in Miami. I'm here, yo, what's up, Vin? How you doing, dog? And you're great. What has happened financially for you to feel this way? What's the number?
$80K from freelance illustration.
Perfect. 80K. I can work with that. Okay. Would you be really happy making that?
Yeah.
Ecstatic?
Ecstatic.
Because the math works out much better, just divide this by 10, which would then equal 8K. And people are like, why not divide it by 12? Wasn't it 12 months from now? Yes, because you have slow months, you need to take time off, and this is a plan that works to accommodate all of that. You will not work 12 months out of the year. It's just not possible forever and not burn out. Okay, so we divide it by 10. That means $8,000, okay? Now, the way I like to do this is ask you, how many projects would you like to do in a month? That's what you have to make a month.
3.
3?
Yeah.
You want to make the math harder for me, huh? Divide that by 3.
We could say 2. Let's do 2.
Do 2. Two's even better. Because it works out for both of us. You divide that by 2. That means you have to do a project for 4K. Is that possible with what you have now?
Yeah.
It is. What will you be doing for 4K? What's the service you deliver for 4K?
Poster design.
Poster design.
I can add some more things in there too. But
Like what? Tell me.
album art.
Album art? Who's making albums these days? Yeah.
One thing I'm struggling with personally is trying to make as many projects as I can with as little money as I can, because oftentimes the people who are making these albums and these posters are just people who I want to help.
Yeah, so they have no money.
Yeah.
It's hard to sell to broke people. You ever heard the expression? It's hard
to make a living from that.
Squeeze blood from a stone. The problem is we have to create a product or service for a starving group that can afford to pay us. That's the critical part. They're starving, they just can't pay us.
Yeah.
So you have to do something for someone who's going to be happy to pay you this amount. Who would be happy to pay a young man like you to design something for them for 4K? Peter Drucker said this, a business exists to create a customer. You create the customer, then the customer creates the brand, right? Nike makes a shoe, we buy the shoe, we tell them they're the brand. So when Nike does something funky, we're like, that ain't Nike no more. So you think the company owns the brand, they don't. The customers own the brand, okay? Your job as a business owner is to create a customer. So you can take this skill that you have, assuming you have a lot of skill, Finn, you gotta find a customer. And in this day and age, who's buying all the stuff? People who make lots and lots of media, okay? This is the new paradigm. Used to be CBS, NBC, Fox, those people, but now it's people like you and me, people who are on YouTube, Instagram, and a lot of them are entrepreneurs who want to build a strong personal brand. And we know a couple of things about YouTube. YouTube relies on 2 things to determine if a video is going to be successful or not. Do you know what those 2 things are?
Is it engagement and watch time, like duration?
No. Before you watch anything, there's 2 things that you have to figure out before you even watch it. What is it?
If it's worth watching.
Yeah, if it's worth watching. What is it?
Preview?
No. Title?
Oh, title
And?
thumbnail.
You got it. We try to set you up for success.
Well, you know.
We try. Title and thumbnail. Can you help people with that?
Yeah.
So if you're a student of the game of YouTube, you design title and thumbnails, you'll make the money. There are people who just specialize in this. Are there customers out there that buy title and thumbnail design?
Apparently there's at least one.
Do you believe there's more than one?
Yeah, oh yeah.
How many people are making YouTube videos, you think?
Like everybody.
Like 1 billion. But 99% of them aren't at a place that buy it, but 1% of ability is still a lot of people. So your potential market for this is really high. You know what we see? in my DMs are people from other countries trying to tell me they can design thumbnails, and I look at it, they're terrible. They're like cookie cutter, so bad. But if you have a mind, an idea, and you have taste and aesthetic, and you know how to use the tools, you can probably come up with pretty good banger thumbnails. And you know what's beautiful about this? Monthly recurring revenue. You know what that means? MRR?
That's just a good thing. That's right.
It's just, that's a good answer. Another way, that's cheddar. It really is.
Yeah, it is.
So if you can sign up, I don't know, let's just say on the low end, you do a few thumbnails for people for $2K a month. You get 4 of those people to sign up. They're home free.
That's adding up.
Signing up. So what you need to do is you need to start changing your Behance and your social media pages to show banger thumbnails. Find a video that you like. Does it need to be yours? Say, here, I redid this, and keep doing this. And you know what you should do? You should talk about the process of designing these thumbnails. So I saw this thing, and I think this, as you're doing it, talking over your thing, doing voiceover, you probably have, if you produce a video, say, how many videos can you produce, like just you working in a week? What do you think?
I mean, at least 1 per thumbnail. So that's what.
How many videos can you make a week?
1 per week.
1?
Yeah.
I think you can make more than that.
Let's say 3.
Okay, we'll split the difference. If you made 2 videos a week showing your creative process, and you have to talk about it, okay?
Oh, yeah.
You have to show like, okay, start here, I retouch this, I change the lighting.
I got that down pat.
You got that down pat. So you should at least do 2 a week. And then you post on probably IG, probably on LinkedIn. Change your LinkedIn profile to killer thumbnail designs that go viral, whatever the title is, okay? You sell the result, now that what you do, okay? And you did 2 a week. I'm almost certain, if you do them well, probably within the first 2 months of doing this, which is 8 videos, you're gonna get leads, you're gonna get inquiries. Make sure all of your Behance or social media says the same thing everywhere you go. So I'll tell you right now, LinkedIn and IG. You do that?
I can do that.
Okay. Will you commit to this?
Yeah, actually, I'd like to put this in with the other stuff I'm doing as well.
Okay. I want you to commit to this for how many months? That you're going to create 2 pieces of content a week for how many months?
Let's say 3 months.
3 months. Okay, that's only 12 videos. That's very doable.
Yeah.
You got this on lockdown, right?
Yep.
That's what the kids say, on lockdown, right?
Unlock.
Unlock. Sorry, I added an extra word. You guys are so efficient with your language. You got this on lock, right?
Get ready.
All right. So you can do 12 videos in 3 months. And you post on 2 spots, yeah? We said IG and LinkedIn, yes?
Yep.
I'm going to help you do this because if you do this, I believe you'll get leads. And you're going to start to march towards this so that in 2026 in Miami, you're going to see me and you're like, bro, I did it. It totally worked. So the problem is, advice isn't worth much if you don't commit to doing the work.
Yeah.
So the biggest problem isn't me giving you the advice, it's you committing to do the work. Because I guarantee you, almost everybody that does the work gets the results. Or they learn so much that they become a different person in the pursuit of that. What's your pledge, bro?
$500.
Okay, that's decent.
Yeah.
That's a couple of skateboards.
Yep.
Okay? $500.
Some new shoes.
The good thing is, unlike with him, you have complete control. Because he has to have clients say yes. All you have to do is show up and make that video. March 1st, you have made 12 shorts or videos like this, right? Vertical videos. 12 vertical videos that demonstrate you designing killer thumbnails. Cool?
Cool.
Or else you forfeit. Say it.
$500.
To
you.
sign it. Get on the board and sign the freaking. Let's go, dude. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Sign it. I want to do this in blood. Wouldn't that make sense? Just cut yourself and sign it in blood. Look at that. He's even got like a tag signature.
Shake on it.
Shake on it. I'm rooting for you to win.
I'm going to do it.
You know what? Here, have a seat. Have a seat. I'm going to tell you something. If you do this and you're good, we'd hire you.
Okay.
So we'd be your first customer.
Hire me right
But you
after
got to be
this.
good, right? We'd hire you.
We'll connect
We
right
know a
after
lot of people who would want this. In fact, we might broker you and just sell it for you. And you'd be at your goal. Look, your hands are getting sweaty. His arms are heavy.
My knees are ready.
That's right. You see?
Yeah.
This is the magic of articulating a clear goal. We just move the variable around until we find what it is that can work. Are you excited about this?
Yeah, I got some videos to make.
Let's go. You do.